Feeding racing pigeons. Pigeon racing requires athletic birds flown over long distances. Providing proper nutrition is key to optimizing their performance. While many fanciers have feeding regimens they've used successfully for years, the nutritional requirements of pigeons are now well documented scientifically. Using this knowledge can help fanciers make informed decisions about diet composition. Protein. The protein percentage of a feed blend can be calculated using the approximate protein levels of each grain. Peas, 20 to 25%. Wheat, 12 to 15%. Corn, 8 to 10%. Safflower, 12 to 18%. Barley, 9 to 12%. Oats, 12 to 14%. Millet, 11 to 15%. For racing, diets should contain 12 to 14% protein. Sprint racing requires around 12%, while longer distances need up to 14%. Protein is necessary for tissue growth, repair, and basic metabolic functions. However, excess protein during racing can negatively impact performance. Slower digestion. Protein takes longer to break down than simple carbohydrates. This delays availability of energy. Increased nitrogen waste. Protein digestion produces compounds like urea and uric acid that must be excreted by the kidneys. Higher levels overwork the kidneys. Less efficient energy source. Gram for gram, proteins provide less energy than carbohydrates and fats. Excess protein lowers energy yield. Anti-nutrient effects. Legumes contain anti-digestive compounds that inhibit nutrient absorption when consumed in large quantities. In addition to overall percentage, the specific amino acid balance must be optimized. Some amino acids cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained from food. Relative proportions of amino acids are also key, as excesses or shortages affect overall utilization. Finally, digestibility of protein should be maximized, as not all dietary proteins are fully broken down and absorbed. Fat and carbohydrates. Racing pigeons need sufficient fat for energy, but too much impairs flight. About 7 to 15% dietary fat is ideal for most birds during racing season. Pigeons use carbohydrates first for quick energy, then tap into fat stores as blood sugar dwindles. The aerobic metabolism of fat provides sustained energy release over hours of flight. However, fat provides less energy per gram than carbohydrates and is burned less efficiently. Birds carrying excessive fat buildup experience reduced maneuverability and speed. The right balance of fat and carbohydrates in the diet optimizes available energy over the duration of a race. Fanciers should monitor body condition closely and adjust fat intake gradually based on workout intensity and expected race distances. Ambient temperature also impacts energy needs. Birds use more calories to stay warm in cold lofts. Genetics play a role too, as some breeds are genetically prone to obesity. Other carbohydrate considerations. The quality and digestibility of carbohydrates affects how efficiently their energy is harnessed. Simple sugars and starches are readily broken down and absorbed. Complex carbs like fiber require bacterial fermentation in the gut before absorption. Anti-nutritional factors are also present in some grains. For example, legumes contain phytic acid that can bind minerals like calcium, zinc, and iron, limiting their absorption. Effects of anti-nutrients are dose-dependent, so moderation is key. Lastly, birds need a blend of glucose providing carb sources like corn as well as glycogen sources like oats or barley that replenish muscle glycogen stores. A balance of simple and complex carbs promotes steady energy levels. Supplementation. Grain mixes alone cannot provide complete nutrition. A veterinary formulated pellet, multivitamin/mineral supplement, amino acid balancer, and probiotics are recommended to support health and performance. Reputable avian veterinary nutritionists and companies should be consulted for these specialized products. Pellets are nutritionally balanced, eliminating the need for additional supplements. They encourage feed efficiency too, as birds cannot selectively eat ingredients. Many fanciers use pellets exclusively for breeding birds with great success. Quality supplements fill nutritional gaps in grain diets and optimize nutrient absorption. Amino acid balancers correct imbalances and improve protein quality. Probiotics support digestive health and protect against pathogens. Multivitamins supply essential vitamins like A, E, K, B complex, etc. that are absent or minimal in grains. Minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and trace minerals are added too. Deficiencies and imbalances of these micronutrients negatively impact performance. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These polyunsaturated fatty acids play vital roles in metabolism, cell structure, inflammation, and immunity. Omega-3's EPA and DHA support cognitive function and eye health. Omega-6 AA is a key component of cell membranes. Grains and seeds contain omega-6 but limited omega-3. Flax, fish oil, algae supplements, or DHA-enriched eggs can balance omega-3 intake. Many pellets now include algae-derived DHA. Antioxidants. Exercise creates free radicals that must be neutralized by antioxidant defenses. Key antioxidants like vitamin E, vitamin C, carotenoids, and selenium combat damaging oxidative stress. Grains lack sufficient antioxidants on their own. Quality supplements provide boosted antioxidant protection. Some fanciers add small amounts of berries, dandelion greens, sprouted seeds or chopped carrots to provide natural antioxidants. Hydration. Dehydration severely impairs racing ability. Clean, cool water should be freely available at all times. Adding electrolytes to the water helps replenish mineral losses from sweating. Acidified water with apple cider vinegar or lemon juice also encourages intake. On very hot days or after transport, fanciers may need to actively hydrate birds by injection or dabbage. Hydrating mashes, gels and juices are other options. Monitoring droppings for normal consistency is a simple way to assess hydration status. Breeding nutrition. Many fanciers use complete pellets for breeders as their needs are less variable. Pellets provide balanced nutrition without supplements. For grain-based breeding diets, 15 to 20% protein and 5 to 11% fat is recommended, with about 2,950 kilocalories/kg energy density. Supplementation is still advised. Higher protein supports growth in squabs and recovery in breeding hens. Calcium and phosphorus needs increase during egg production and chick rearing. Adequate vitamin D is crucial for proper calcium metabolism and skeletal development in young. Micronutrients like zinc, manganese, folate and B vitamins have reproductive roles as well. Digestibility and nutrient density maximizes breeding performance. Probiotics aid digestion and transfer maternal antibodies to squabs. While less crucial than for racers, optimized nutrition helps produce robust young birds. However, errors are less impactful as breeders have more time to correct deficits not addressed immediately by diet. Still, making informed nutritional decisions from the start gives squabs the best start on their racing career. In summary, an informed, scientific approach to feeding racing and breeding pigeons supports success in the sport. Consulting avian veterinary nutrition resources helps fanciers make the best diet choices for their birds' needs and goals. Adapting traditional diets based on nutritional science can optimize health, productivity and racing performance.